Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to partition a hard drive without losing data in Windows and fix hard disk C partition not format. To start, we will right-click on the Start menu. In the displayed list, you will click on the Disk Management option. In the manager that opens, you will see all the available drives. There, you will right-click on the C drive, then click on the Shrink Volume option. Once the analysis is finished, you will have access to the amount of space you can use for your partition. There, you will enter the desired value. Notice that the disk values are automatically adjusted. After this, click on Shrink to complete the process. There you will see the new partition with the legend unallocated. Now we are going to right-click on this new partition and then select the new Simple Volume option. In the wizard that opens, you will configure the following: the size to use in our new partition, the letter that will be assigned to recognize it, and label and type of file system compatible with Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, you will see a summary of the task to be performed. Clicking Finish will activate the unit, and in the taskbar we will see the new unit available for use. Open File Explorer to verify that the partition was created correctly in Windows using these steps. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.